Hi there guys, Adrian, IAmJadoreTV. This is the final episode, finally, part 3. Been waiting literally all day for my graphics card and RAM. They're finally here. You can see I was doing a few cable management. It's not that great, guys. You have to allow me. It's my first time. But I'm gonna get this out of the box, put it in, and set everything up, and then I'll be back. Okay, don't you just love when you get the Amazon parcel? You just love it. Oh, come on, gotta love that. Let me flip it over. Let me get my dressing room. Yes. Oh, there it is. The lovely. I'll get the strap out of the way. 1050 Ti from Zotac, XPG 8GB RAM, 16 DDR3 1600. I'm gonna get this in. Okay guys, I've now everything inside. RAM, graphics card, to take this plastic film. Oh, gorgeous PC. Gorgeous. Cables could be a bit better, but you know, let's get this bad boy on. Right, I've got the BIOS sorted. That's installing Windows right now. Yeah. In there, but I tried to connect this, but then I realized that the graphics card doesn't take this old thing, so I'm literally going to have to get a converter or something off of Amazon. But yeah, just gonna install Windows 10. Alright, I'm back guys, all installed. I'm gonna minimize this. Everything installed. I basically just need to download all the Adobe stuff and edit this video, of course. Here it is. Oh, this one is in the way. There it is. Focus. All the RAM. Gonna change that CPU cooler to aftermarket one soon. And yeah, I'll upgrade the RAM as well, get another 8GB RAM, two more fans in the front of this. But I'm loving the new setup guys, so thanks for watching the last and final part of this. Any hints and tips that you want to leave that in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out my social media description below, and guys, I will catch you in the next one.